Hey, I am back with a car vlog. Shocker. I really like doing this for the last video. Oh, first let me say hi, hello, I'm Bree. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am going to do a car vlog, obviously, for now, for you guys. I just got done with the gym. That's why my hair looks all weird, because I put it up in a bun and then it gets all like funky looking. But I just got done with the gym and then I swung through Drinkology, the place that I told you guys about last video, because it's so good. It's so good. So got my little beveragino here. I did Sprite Zero, normally my camera's over here and it's over here right now. I did Sprite Zero, sugar-free blueberry, sugar-free cherry, sugar-free vanilla. So it's probably not that many calories, but it's so good. I love it so much. I'm like addicted. I'm not even joking. It's so good. But I'm getting ready to go home right now. And then once I get home, my best friend Stephanie's coming over, and we always have like movie nights on Thursdays. So we're going to have a little movie night. I don't know what we're going to watch yet, but I'll keep you updated on that. And then we're going to have chili cheese, like conies, and three-way. So if you're not from the Cincinnati area, you'll probably think this is disgusting, but I like, so when I say like Cincinnati chili, it's like not chili like you would think of with like beans. Like it's not that same chili. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. At least I think it's really good. Like if you're not from here, like people always are like, oh, like why are you putting that on stuff? But it's so good. So we're making Skyline, that's the brand that we're using, and we're doing Skyline, and then I have hot dogs for conies, and then I have, we're gonna make spaghetti too, so if we want like a little baby three-way, or if we want conies, we just wanna have options. And then she also told me that a girl from her work just got back from Chile and brought candy back, so she's gonna bring over some pieces of candy so I can try that, so I'm kind of excited about that. So yeah, today has been, sorry about all these bumps, it's so annoying. Today's been a day. Work was really long, went to the gym. I did back and biceps again. I think the last time I talked to you guys about going to the gym, I did back and biceps. I love back and biceps. I literally love it. And then I'm gonna go home, start cooking dinner. Scott's mowing the lawn. So yeah, so when I get home, I'm probably gonna hang outside with the dogs for a little bit, toss some ball around. We have actually, this is something I'm really excited about. So I want a home gym so bad because I hate Planet Fitness. Like I have a Planet Fitness membership, but I hate it. I hate everybody there, and I know that sounds like so horrible of me to say, but like right now they have the thing where kids can come and work out for free, and it drives me nuts because they're all on their phones. I sound like an old grouchy like man on his lawn, like get off my lawn, but I'm being serious. Like they are on their phones, they don't move out of the way, they're just like, their spatial awareness does not exist, and it's really annoying, and they do it every summer and I hate it. So what I've been doing is there's this website, I don't know, I know it's like all across the country, I know it's not just in this area, but it is in this area. It's called Bid, FTA, and you like bid on these items and you can get stuff super cheap. Like I just got a walking pad for $40. I got this whole like weight dumbbell set for like $20. I got a weight bench for I think $25. Like all this stuff was only like $100, and it's all like, you have to look. The only thing is you have to be careful, because if it says like as is, it's probably not in good condition. They have good condition written on things, or like brand new, and all of the things were either good condition or brand new that I got. So I'm gonna try to create my own little like home gym area, like slowly getting pieces from there. The biggest thing that I've been having trouble finding, or like getting, because I keep getting outbid and it's really annoying, but the little like square puzzle pad things like for the floor, I'm looking for those still. I'm looking for some weights, like a couple more sets of weights. But I think I'm like, once I get my little home gym set up, like there's no stopping me. Like that's what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to do it on a budget because, you know, life's hard right now for like everybody. But yeah, I'm trying to do at home gym on a budget. I will like keep like you guys updated with like where I am at on that, and especially give you like a little tour once it's done, because I'm hoping like it's June now, and I'm hoping by the end of August, like I know that's like 2 months, but I'm hoping like within the next 2 months I can like watch these sites, get everything that I need so then I can have my home gym, so I don't even have to like go to the gym. Because if I had a gym at home, it would be so much easier, and then I would get to spend more time with the dogs, and I don't know. I really like my house. Like I just love being home. But yeah, so I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna make dinner, and I will check with you guys later, alligator. Hey, checking in. It is Friday, and your girl got off work early, which is so exciting. So it is 1:55 right now. We normally don't get out on Fridays until 3:15. We would have got out a little bit earlier, but the lab was still like doing stuff, so I make everybody wait. I know, like boring manager I am, but it's just not fair to like leave people. So we got out. It was only like an extra 15 minutes. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. It is leg day today. And after that, Scotty and we're having like a little date night tonight. He normally plays softball on, ooh, that made me look like George Washington. I looked bald. He normally plays softball on Friday nights, but he, like his little league or whatever for the next 3 weeks, they like aren't playing, which I don't know why, but it is what it is. So we are having, oh, I thought this was my hair. I'm on the struggle bus today. We're having a little date night. We're gonna go to Bonefish. I will try to remember to like film what we get there. And then also our adult date night is going to Sherwin-Williams because they're having a 40% off paint sale. So yeah, that is what my plan is for Friday. Saturday, tomorrow, I'm going on a wine tour with my friends for my friend Caitlin's birthday. And then Sunday, Scotty leaves for his golf trip. I might paint the bathroom. He won't see this video. So I get these things, I get these like urges to where I want to like change things. And then I just do it and I don't wait. And I just do stuff. So I might do that while he's gone. I remember he went away for something last time, and I completely rearranged like all the furniture, and he was like, wait, what? When he walked in, and I was like, I wanted to change, so I changed something. So whatever. Yeah, so Sunday I get a massage Sunday night. I'm so excited. I love getting massages. That's like my guilty pleasure that I do. What else is new? Oh, I got an order. Okay, let me backtrack. Since being on my medication for my tumor, I have lost weight again, which is great. But I need new clothes for the gym because my clothes, like the shirt that I'm wearing right now, this Nike shirt, is way too big. Like I literally look like I'm being eaten alive in it. So I ordered some stuff from Buff Bunny because I love Buff Bunny. And I ordered some stuff from Kill Crew, which I've been seeing ads for Kill Crew everywhere. And then I've been seeing a lot of people at the gym wearing Kill Crew, and I found out that the company donates money to like suicide awareness and prevention and PTSD, and I think that is freaking awesome. So I bought some stuff from Kill Crew as well. So once those come in, I will show you guys. I don't know when they're gonna come in because both of those businesses I feel like kind of take like a while for stuff to come in, you know, but we will see, and I will show you guys. Also, I uploaded my Old Navy video. Well, I will have uploaded my Old Navy video. So go check that out after this video. Rumple bars, I told you. Every single time, if you've watched my last videos, this is the way to the gym. The rumple bars, that's how you know I'm on my way to the gym. Anyway, I have blabbed enough. I'm going to get off here, go to the gym, and then get ready for my date night. See ya.
Boomerang.
So I wanted to update you. It is Sunday. I'm literally in a muumuu. I am painting my bathroom. So I'm actually getting ready. That's why I have like partial makeup on. I'm getting ready to leave. I did all the cut-ins for the bathroom. So I'm going to show you what the bathroom looks like before, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. I'm very excited. So let me show you the before. It is a mess because bathroom, but it's not a big bathroom. It's just the bathroom in our room. So let's see what this paint color does. Here is an after of the bathroom. I'm so excited. I put this together, these shelves. I put these together by myself. Very proud. I'll link them in my Amazon storefront. And I also bought this, and it holds all of my like hair stuff, which is super beneficial because this was like everywhere. This was also on Amazon. I think it was like $20, but say hi. It's all done. I love it. Hello, hello. It is Sunday. Oh my gosh, today's already been kind of busy. I went and I visited my Nana. So my Nana has Alzheimer's and she's in assisted living. So I have to like go to a specific place to visit her. So I went and visited her for a little bit with my mom and my dad. And then I just went to Kroger, just swung by Kroger. It's so weird because Scott's gonna be on it, like Scott's on a golf trip right now. So thinking about like meals for the week, I was like, I don't know what I just want to eat. I normally think about 2 people and not just like 1. So I literally just picked up stuff to make egg scramble, and I picked up stuff for like yogurts and stuff like that, and then a bag salad. Literally nothing crazy, just because I don't want to cook. I'm free from cooking, so I'm not going to put that on myself. So I'm going to go home, hang out with the dogs for a little bit, put the groceries away, go get a massage because I've been waiting to get my massage, and then I'm going to come home and possibly finish painting the bathroom. That's the goal. I'm so excited. I think the color looks so good. And I was talking to my mom about this morning, and it's like, it's the weirdest feeling, right? So I feel it finally clicked in my brain. Like, it took a very long time to click, but like, it's my house. Like, I can do whatever I want. If I wanted to graffiti hearts all over the walls, I could. If I wanted to nail 500 pictures into the wall, I could. I still always had that like apartment rental like mindset, so I was like terrified to do anything, but it's my own house. Like, I can do whatever I want. If I wanted to knock a wall down, I could. If I wanted like all these different things. So it just, I don't know what it is. I've been there for 2.5 years, and it finally just clicked, like, oh my God, like, paint whatever you want to paint. Rip up your floors and do new floors if you want to do new flooring. You know, you want, like, if you want anything done, just do it because you can, because it's yours. And I don't know, that is such like a liberating, if that's the right word, like feeling. It's such a good feeling to know, like, I can do whatever I want to do with my house. I don't know. I know it's like a little tangent off. I don't even know if you guys care, but it was just one of those like revelations. I was just like, oh my gosh, like, this is cool. I don't know. I'm weird. Anyway, I will probably check in with you guys after my massage. I'll tell you how that is, or like whatever I cook for dinner. I'm probably gonna make an egg scramble, so maybe I can show you guys how I do that if you haven't seen an egg scramble, or if you haven't been around long enough for me to like make one before. They're pretty easy and they're really, really good, high in protein, low calorie. So I will most likely make that for dinner, and I will check in with you guys later. Okay, so back in the car. I just got my massage. My hair looks ridiculous. I'm gonna insert a picture over here. I look like Cynthia from the Rugrats when I got out of this massage, because she did like my scalp, and she had like all the oil, so my hair is like super oily, but I looked like Cynthia. This woman's watching me film. I'm not an influencer in the wild, guys. I'm not good at this kind of thing. Anyway, so my massage was great. She did like my face too. She like popped part of my jaw, like not like popped it, but like moved the muscles. I don't know. This was like the best massage I've ever gotten there. And I go like, I don't know, every couple of months I like to get a massage just to like get everything out. We have a new guy starting at work tomorrow, and I have to train him, and I'm a little nervous about it. So it's always, I always try to like do stuff to like relax myself. The next one will probably be before the wedding, so, which is so close. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, feed the dogs, feed myself, finish painting the bathroom, wash this Cynthia Rugrats hair, and I will probably check in with you guys when I cook dinner. So just wanted to say hello. Oh, my dress is all twisted up. I'm wearing a Halara dress, by the way. These are amazing. Like, well, I've been sponsored by them, but not sponsored in this video. I just genuinely like this. Anyway, I will check in with you guys later. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my egg scramble. First, I start with some hash browns. I use about 1 cup of frozen hash browns, and then I will spray them with some Pam just so they get that crisp on them. I do my best to try. It's kind of hard when you're not using oil, but I do my best. And then while those are cooking, I make 2 eggs, I whisk them up, and once the hash browns are completely done, I remove them from the heat, and then I add my eggs to the same pan that I was just using. Those cook up super, super fast because I leave my pan really, really hot. You don't have to do this, but that is just the way that I do it. After that, I'm going to take my jalapenos and I'm going to make those soften just a little bit. Add those in there for a little bit of heat. Then I'm going to add some Jimmy Dean's turkey sausage. I just literally pop that in the microwave. I'm going to put it all together back into the pan, cook it just a little bit longer, just so you like blend all those flavors together. I kind of like to just toss it all together back at the end. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top and fold that cheese into it as well. After all that's done, I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it in a bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of sugar-free, reduced sugar ketchup. And ooh, I did add some Slap Your Mama. I forgot about that. That seasoning is seriously so good. If you've never tried it, for sure you need to try it. But this is what it looks like, and that's my cutie Jackson. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what I'm bringing back to lunch, and then I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm not bringing back anything crazy. I'm bringing back a Chobani Flip. This is a strawberry cheesecake flavor. I talked about the caramel one last video, and then yesterday I tried a new flavor, and it was the peach cobbler. So good, so freaking good. But this is the one for today. It is 150 calories, strawberry cheesecake. And then I made this little bagel sandwich. So I take an everything bagel and I put some turkey on one half, and then on the other half I just, well, I also have it on, under here too. But this is just like the whipped light cream cheese. So that's pretty much what I'm bringing back for lunch. I always have some almonds at work, so probably gonna munch on some of those if I get hungry, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little bathroom transformation. We still have flooring to do. So we still have flooring. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the little egg scramble recipe. And yeah, I've really missed you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching everything. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.